Hi, I'm Vex. I'm not a history teacher. I'm just an everyday American who believes our past deserves to be understood, not ignored. Because when we know our history, we stop repeating the same mistakes and we start building something better. This is history made simple. So let's get into it. Have you ever wondered what the US Constitution actually says without the lawyer talk? Most of us heard pieces of it in school, but it didn't stick. This series is for you. I'll explain the Constitution in simple everyday language so anyone can understand it. So, what is the Constitution? The Constitution is America's rule book. It tells us how the national government is set up and what parts each can do, and what rights the people keep. It is the highest law of the land, and that means every other law, local, state, or federal, has to follow it. Why was it written? After the American Revolution, the first system, called the Articles of Confederation, were too weak. The states were arguing, money was a mess, and there were no strong ways to solve big national problems. So leaders met in 1787 in Philadelphia to write a better plan, the Constitution. The Constitution starts with the preamble. It tells us the why. It begins, "We the people." That means power comes from regular people, not a king or a small group. Then it lists 6 goals: from a more perfect union, which means to bring the states together as one team; establish justice, which means make fair laws and treat people fairly; ensure domestic tranquility, which means keeps peace at home; provide for the common defense, which means protect the country from threats; promote the general welfare, which means help the nation to do well, things like public health, safety, and infrastructure; secure the blessings of liberty, which means protect freedom for us all and for future generations. Think of the Constitution as a house blueprint. The preamble is the why we built this house. The articles are the rooms and the walls. The amendments are the renovations we added later to make the house work better for everyone. Did you know the Constitution we use today is short? It's only a few pages if printed, but it has shaped more than 200 years of American history. So the Constitution is our rule book, and the preamble explains its purpose in plain words. Next, we'll tour the first big room, which is Article 1, Congress, the people who write our laws. If this helped you, like and subscribe. I'm Vex, and this has been History Made Simple. Remember, when we understand our history, we build a better future. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep moving forward.